the leader. Today's youth are the leaders of tomorrow, especially the youth who obeys the ethics becomes a great leader. The real leader of our society are not the generals or the kings. They are the rishis. Today, we are going to discuss about a monk who is not only famous in our country, but he is famous whole over world. When he decided to attend the religious parliament which was organized at Chicago, he went to his friend Maharaja of Kheti and said he want to attend the parliament of religion. So the Maharaja arranged first class ticket in ship and offered Swamiji. He also suggested that he would take the name Vivekananda everywhere. So Swamiji accepted this name, and when he became famous in Chicago conference, his name also became famous and every person knows him as Vivekananda. Now also we know him as Swami Vivekananda. We all are celebrating his birthday is National Youth Day. What we all are doing? We are just putting one status of his photo or posting his photo as a post in our social media. And time to time we check that how many people checked my status, how many people liked my post. This is not the real thing. If they are liking the post, they are liking the photo, they are liking Swami Vivekananda, not your post, not you. So you must do such a thing so that people will like you also. So we must follow and learn and take some examples from his life. So today we will discuss some of his life incidents, from which we can get motivated and can get some moral values. In Banaras, when he went to a Durga temple after darshan, while he was returning, a troop of monkey started running beside him. While seeing this, Swamiji also started running. Meanwhile, he came to heard a voice from another old monk, old rishi. Stop and face the problem. Face the monkeys. He stopped there and looked backward. The monkey saw him and ran away. From this incident, we can learn that we must face all the problems without running, without fearing the problem. Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba also says, follow your master, face the devil, fight to the end, finish the game. So you must not fear. You must go ahead. You must overcome your problem. You must solve your problem. So when you take one step towards God, God will take 10 steps towards you. When you try to solve your problem taking God's name, God will help you to come out from that problem. Another incident we will discuss. One day, Swamiji was sitting at station. He was feeling hungry. One of the person came with formal dress and sat beside him and started talking with Swamiji. The person said, that formal dressed person said, I like God, but I do not agree with the idea of becoming monk. Because when you become monk, you have no money to eat. I have done job, I earn money, I can buy food, I can take food. or else I can bring food, I can bring tiffin from my house. So what can you do? You have to sit starvation, you have to sit hunger for many days, for many times. After some time, one food seller came and asked Swamiji, as he was begging, that please have my food, please take my food, please eat my food. He put one mat down and asked Swamiji to take food. So Swamiji asked you, have you taken your food? So the food seller said, no, first you take the food, then I will take. Swamiji said, no, come, we will take food together. Meanwhile, he saw that the person with formal dress was searching for food. He was having, no doubt he was having money, but there was no seller, there was no food to buy at that time. So Swamiji called that person and said, sit here and take food. The food seller said, yesterday night when I was sleeping, in my dream, Lord Ramachandra came and asked me to give food, to offer food to the Swamiji sitting in the station. So this is no doubt, you have money, but you can search food at this time. For this saint, for this monk, you get food today. So that person realized that, yes, I am earning money, but the monk is earning the blessings of God. And the blessings he is earning is also blessings for whole society. Here Swami Vivekananda also says that faith on ourselves and faith on God is the secret of becoming a great person. So always have faith on yourself that you can do everything, you can solve your problem, you can overcome from your problem, so that you can become a great person. Nextly, coming to another incident, after becoming famous in Chicago conference, everybody used to call him for the lecture, for the talk. Many universities called, many colleges called him, many clubs called him. So one day when he was giving lecture, he was giving talk in club, he said that a spiritual person have more concentration than normal person. He does not mind whatever is going on his surrounding. He concentrate on his work. So there were many cowboys and they started shooting from their guns, and one bullet passed side from Swamiji's ear. Swamiji did not mind and continued his talk, continued his lecture. After finishing this, after completion of this lecture, the cowboys came and asked, forgive, please forgive us, Swamiji, we are testing you, but you are such a great person that we can test you. So the thing is, when you have concentration, you can do everything. And when you are doing work, when you are walking on the path of your success, there will many problem comes to you. There will be many people holding your feet and not allowing to go ahead. But you have to struggle, you have to overcome all this problem, and you have to go on the path of your goal and your success. One day, another incident, one day in America, when he was walking on the seashore, he saw that some of boys were shooting the eggshell floating on the sea water. So Swamiji came and asked all the boys, have a concentration, then shoot all these shells. Then you can successfully shoot and you can aim that shell. So the boys tried like that, but they did not succeed. One of them said, can you do this, Swamiji? Then Swami Vivekananda take gun from his hand and started shooting with concentration to all the cells. He shooted all the cells without fail. The boys came and asked, have you ever tried shooting before? Swamiji said, no, my dear, this is the magic of concentration. So my dear friends, always have concentration. When you have concentration and faith on yourself and on God, you can become a successful person, and nobody can stop you becoming a successful and great person. So this much is for this video, and I have prepared some question, and the question will be posted on my Instagram page. You can go to my Instagram through this description link. In the description there is Instagram link. You can go there and you can answer all the questions on comment section, and the best answer will be put on my story with mentioning you. Thank you, Saira.